Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be looking at how much compensation you may be entitled to for a fractured nose if you've been involved in an accident which was due to the negligence of others. If you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you'd like to know about broken nose compensation amounts, I'll shortly be going over our fractures of the nose or nasal complex compensation claim amounts table. But first, it's important that you bear in mind that these figures are for your injuries alone and do not include any amounts of compensation from loss of income from any time off work that you've had to take because of the accident, or any other expenses like care costs or travel costs for trips made in relation to your accident, which means that your final claim amount is likely to be larger. So let's take a look at the table.
So in front of us we have the table for fractures to the nose or nasal complex compensation claim amount table. And for serious or multiple fractures requiring a number of operations and or resulting in permanent damage to airways and or nerves, or tear ducts and or facial deformity, you could expect to receive anything between £8,480 right the way up to £18,440. For displaced fracture where recovery complete but only after surgery, you could expect to receive anything between £3,150 right the way up to £4,070. For displaced fracture requiring no more than manipulation, you could expect to receive anything between £2,010 right the way up to £2,510. For simple undisplaced fracture with full recovery, you could expect to receive anything between £1,360 right the way up to £2,010.
I'd like to once again emphasise that these figures are for your injuries only and do not include the compensation from any loss of income from time off work or any other expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the final compensation claim amount is likely to be larger. But in order to get a fuller idea of just how much compensation you may be entitled to, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims specialist. Now, the good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free consultation where we'll talk through the accident with you to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676, or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be happy to answer any questions you may have, whether that be what is the average compensation for a car accident, or personal injury compensation, how much can I expect in total? Using our soft tissue injury compensation calculator, or if you had an accident at work, our workplace injury compensation calculator, we'll be able to give you a good idea of just how much you may be able to claim in total. Following this consultation, if we believe that we're able to assist you in bringing a claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. Now, what this means for you is that there won't be any upfront fees to worry about, and if your claim was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks.
Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same. And whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.